We empower our booksellers, each store, to do whatever is sensible for its location, its store. And it's that focus on the vocational commitment to really good bookselling that's allowing us to run these rather wonderful stores. When I grew up, we were told that we had square eyes because all we would do was watch television, and it was making our eyes square and we would never read. This was nonsense. But it's exactly that same narrative that we're now applying to the iPad, to the iPhone, to social media. Kids don't read, kids aren't interested, kids are distracted, kids are this, kids. No, they're not. They're brilliantly engaged with books and with ideas and with the excitement attached to them. And they're integrating these other mediums into their reading experiences. And we now have more bookstores than we ever had. For us, in particular, TikTok has been an astonishing medium in which to convey, truly the energy and the experience of our stores. And these young kids have done that brilliantly. And we have become a venue, effectively, for the social media encouragement of reading and engagement with books and excitement around books, and it's propelled bestsellers in a way that almost nothing else has done prior to that. I went to Chengdu. The ambition of the stores there was extraordinary. So the physical spaces, the architecture, the design, the presentation, the fluidity with which it was being done was really exceptional. And we borrowed quite a lot of those things and used them today in Waterstones. A recent store we did it where we used the steps down. So when we hold events, it becomes an amphitheatre. That's something that's borrowed from the inspiration of using the changes in levels to create seating alongside pathways.